Okay, so
That's
you fling him. Did that really just break?
No, nothing happened. Cut scene. Put it back in.
So
Put it back in action. The screaming made it even better. Oh, it's from The Incredibles. Elastigirl. Yeah.
You guys are camera people or what? What do you guys got on you?
A GoPro. Yeah, we're just recording for our YouTube videos.
Oh, okay. That's cool. You guys know who A for Adley is. You heard of that?
Yep.
Her dad?
Yeah. My daughter doesn't have her own account, so she's always watching all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
It's like, at least I can see what she's been watching.
Right?
Keep a good eye on her.
Okay. If it sells for like $100, come back and share the will. That auction.
What kind of videos do you guys shoot?
Yard sale videos.
Yard sale?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So, showing stuff off like this thing.
Oh.
How much is this?
$10.
Would you do $8?
Sure.
Okay.
3.
3. Okay.
I'll do both for 10. That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm using the GoPro, and then I'm using a GoPro strap, and then for the microphones, I'm using the Rode 2. I have links to those down below in the description if you're interested in doing your own setup. Ooh. This is the whole basement room. I'm trapped. That's cool. Yeah, look that one up. This is fun. Z4000.
It's kind of overwhelming, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool.
He was quite the collector.
So are you selling these individually, these cars? Do you know about what the price is on them?
I know that we're looking at what eBay has, and then we'll go under that, because then, you know, eBay obviously has their price plus shipping and handling and stuff.
Right.
So, but yes, that's kind of how we're just, because I know my dad always said, like, look at the blue book, you know, look see what they're going for. He's like, because this stuff is worth money. He's like,
I could probably spend a whole week here just looking up all this stuff. Oh, and there's all the boxes for the stuff. Jeez. This stuff's unopened. Oh, some of them are missing. The set of 2, maybe I should give it to us for $5. Maybe this will be the same. Nice.
got some things you want to talk about?
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to come upstairs and
Okay.
yeah,
Sure.
you can squeeze past me. I'll go after you.
Is there more stuff up here?
You can look.
Okay. All right.
If I'm selling it, I'll let you know. If not, then.
Okay.
I'll go 5 on each one of them.
Okay. I could do 10 for all, the 3 of them, but more than that, would you do 10 for?
The 3 boxes? Okay.
That's cool. Oh, it's totally me.
Totally you.
7 and diamonds?
about that awesome shirt.
Yeah, can't wear it around my wife though.
Huh? Oh, you can't wear it around your wife.
When she's traveling though, I'm whipping it out.
All right. There's always a
Oh,
way
you
to...
did too? I was like, did you see the one with the sushi?
So what are we doing on these
I was
for all
doing
three?
$2.
Okay.
I know
So
they're still, but
and
he
then
said he
the
wasn't worried about it. I've been doing $3 on the
Okay.
backpacks.
so we're at 9. Okay. See if I can find something for $1. Huh?
Your camera?
Yeah, it's YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Jake Day is the channel.
Jake Day.
Yeah.
And so that's why you
It's
gotta
just
look
me.
extra cool. Do you mind if I have my 12-year-old come out and see that? Because he's so
What is
interested in doing it. It's his camera for his YouTube channel. And
Yeah.
it's interesting because that's a lot of what he watches is he just likes to see those interactions. He likes to see.
Mhm.
Do you mind?
Yeah, no, you're fine.
He's so excited.
What's that?
He's so excited.
Oh,
So, I never know if that's a good idea to tell people.
okay, that's
I
fine.
mean, 12-year-olds are awkward anyway, right?
That's fine. I used to do proctor care, and so my wife
Well,
and
no,
I
he
we
just, sometimes his interactions are just,
Hello.
this is Drake, and he is very interested.
Your mom said you're interested in doing YouTube or Twitch.
You haven't done Twitch, huh?
Yeah.
Who do you watch?
Someone named Smitty.
Okay, yeah, I've heard of him.
And he likes Unspeakable.
Yeah,
Unspeakable,
so-
yeah.
so
He's the red-haired guy, right?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
as much hair as he has.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly.
He's bald.
So this is
Oh,
his
you want to
cam-
stream? So yeah, you're on video right now. And do you want to be on video? Because I can edit you out.
That would be
You
nice.
you want to be on video? Okay. So, do you have a YouTube channel already?
No, I did not. Not
Okay.
yet.
Do you know what the name of it is going to be?
Mr. Brony,
Mi-
36.
Mr. Brony 36. If you hear that in the future and you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Look for him.
And he has,
Cool. And you do what type of stuff? Video games?
Yeah, I mostly play Warzone.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you, and good luck with your channel.
One thing before you go, I have a weird thing where I have a fear of the wind.
Of the
They're
wind?
just mostly, I looked it up, but it's just anxiety attacks.
Mm-hmm. So you're not going to go see the new Twisters movie?
oh, no, we're not.
No.
Have you? You haven't. He hasn't seen the original.
No, and that's actually what prompted the anxiety is they
Tornadoes?
watched, well, no, it was, it was 3rd grade. They showed them like a tornado, like there was a series of different videos they watched about tropical storms and stuff. Anyways, afterwards.
Hurricanes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So even though we've told him tornadoes just aren't common here,
Yeah.
so it may.
Right. You don't need to be afraid of quicksand either.
Mm-mm.
That was the lie from my childhood. They
Oh,
made-
really?
They made it seem like we'd be dealing with quicksand a lot more than we do.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
I
so
still
he
haven't
just-
encountered it.
He just gets anxious, huh?
Yeah.
But he's working on it.
Yeah, because I never would go anywhere fun because of it.
You'll get through it.
Yeah. But it does say that what can cure it is probably therapy.
Exposure therapy or
I
I
don't
Talk
was
know.
gonna do
therapy.
the next windstorm, I was gonna try and do because I want to understand it a little bit more. So I was gonna bring
Yeah.
him out in the storm and have him close his eyes and really kind of focus on: is it your body? Is it your
Yeah.
mind? Like, because
But you're not afraid of swimming?
No, I am not.
Cool.
But of course I am. But I am scared of sharks.
Well, that's cool. What about those wind tunnels at like the arcades? Have you ever been in one of those?
Oh, I do want to be. Oh, wind tunnels?
Yeah, like you go in and you close it and it's like,
Oh, yeah.
he
Clear.
actually did one. We thought
Yeah.
he was gonna panic, and he didn't. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
yeah,
It's Chuck
see,
E.
cool.
Cheese.
Good job.
On his birthday, he actually did really well. He stood there for a minute, and then because they're supposed to grab the tickets,
Yeah.
and he did really well. I was surprised.
Awesome. What was your name?
Drake.
Drake. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, what's your channel name?
Jake Day.
Drake.
Jake Day. Yeah.
You'll have to check it out.
Yeah.
12.
Yep.
Okay.
Great.
And I'm gonna get back to my popsicles.
Okay. Enjoy.
There we go.
Good thing it was a lidded one.
Thank you. Okay. This toy, it's fantastic. It makes me laugh. So, it's a bowling set, but it is a cow.
Okay.
And when you roll the cow,
It moved. That's cool.
isn't that great?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was funny.
How much is that?
Couple bucks. If I take these stuffed animals back in the house, my 6-year-old's gonna try and keep them. See, look at me.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He's streaming.
Do you watch Unspeakable too?
Yeah. Yeah, as I'm saying.
Is that your favorite channel? What's your favorite channel?
You a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you?
I'm not a TikToker though. Sorry.
Who's your favorite YouTuber today?
It's got to be your brother, right? Pretty soon.
YouTuber.
He will be.
So, well, my most favorite is one was
Who?
Unspeakable and the one that makes up Ace Combat 7 videos.
Oh, okay.
He was watching Sunday. Quite a
Yeah,
bit.
and I like Sunday a lot too.
And then they switched to Schmitty.
He seems older than he is. How old is he?
He's only 6, I know.
Seems like he's 8 or 9.
He's got a very mature, well, I don't know if mature, but
Like the way he holds
You can
himself.
tell.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can tell.
yes.
Yeah, I've seen that before.
Oh, this toy, if you want to make somebody crazy. Here you go. Okay, so
That's it.
you fling him. Did that really just break?
No, nothing happened. Cut scene. Put it back in.
So
Put it back in. Action. The screaming made it even better. That was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
All right, see you later, Drake.
Have a
Bye.
great day, guys.
You too.